request ni Jeffrey. Tapos sila kayo ngayon. Tapos, para hindi mo siya mag-increase ang dose ng kamote.
Nag-ubras G ko ilan.
So, hindi po kayo ng kamote sa hindi po sa bahaw. Diba? Simple. So, pagka minsan, pinag-iisa sila niya dito ang pagkain. Sa gulay. Ano? Kaya, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang po kasi hindi mga kabayan, ano, kumbaga parang bulang lang. So, yun lang yung ano, yung sahog niya. So, pasensya na kayo, dahil hindi naman ako gano'n sa marunong magluto. Pero yan, kahit ako yan po, nakain namin. Masarap na yan. So, yan po yung request ni Jeffrey. So, dadalhin natin yan kasama po itong mga prutas.
Isa lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Huwag ka to kay Nilda, lab. Madahog man baligya mo dyan.
Birthday! Birthday! Ano dyan?
Hmm?
Ano dyan?
Din?
Ano dyan?
Ano?
Vlog-vlog?
Apo gong biyahero. Malinong ka dyan, labi kay ikaw lang isa. Tiray mo kurente ay.
Sobra sa libo.
Ah.
So, kaya maganda natin sa nahanap na mahawa, no? So, yung mga kapag ito, personal measure tayo talaga yung sinasabi. Especially, kapag magkakasulog sila ng Jeffrey. Pero, so far, hindi naman, no? Jeffrey, lagi naman yung pala. Kaya makaseparate sila. So, maganda. And, ayun, so, para tayo makatapos ng CCR, ng pag-aaral. Anak, so, tingnan natin kung ano. So, again, maraming salamat po sa naghahanap kayo ng TV. Again, pinulit po muna namin si Mami TV kasi advice po ng doktor niya. So, naman po nakaraan kasi is totally quality ng hospital si Mami TV sa mga para po sa inyo kaalaman. Ano? So, siyempre, iningatan natin. And sila po dyan, nandito naman. So, ayun. And yung mga pamakin ko kami, stress mo po kasi nagpapos pa sila. So, mga po nakapos. Ano? So, yun na lang muna. Again, maraming salamat sa Pilipulo Zero at sa lahat po ng mga sumusuport po sa amin. Huwag na natin muna abalahin si Gerald. Kapag yung ka, kasi dahil na. Okay. Pero kung makapapos natin si Jeffrey siguro, no? Para mag-usap sa asal, hindi mo pagkakutin no? Kaya. So, yun na lang po mga kababayan. So, maraming salamat again. Papakulang muna namin si Jeffrey, mga kababayan, no? Para mapapakainin po. Salamat po. Bye-bye. Okay, ito po si Jeffrey. Ito po ka ng gulay. So, naka-isolate sila. So, nakalabas mo. Katulad nyo, yung po sinasabi ko, nakalock si Jeffrey sa loob, sila lang pwede mag-box niyan. So, hindi po namin pinukulong si Jeffrey dito. Kasi, anytime pwede siyang lumabas. So, yung si Jeffrey, so, lumabas ko. Diba? Kung minsan gusto ko rin niya. So, kumain ka doon pa rin yung sa gulay na talbos yung request ko. Ano, habang manginig pa, tumutin mo yung sa mga kasi wala ka masyadong laro chemical doon kasi wala sa katawan. Ha? Kasi okay, kumagaling mo namin ha. Ang kampanya, yun pero okay na nyo. Mas masigla na siya ngayon.
Maliwanag yung mukha.
Maliwanag sa mukha niya, di ba? Maliwanag siya. Pinetra ka natin sa karosan o sa rito, ha? Kaya? Kaya?
Kaya yan.
Parang bumalik. Kaya? Hindi kumain ka muna dyan, ha? Kaya si Jeffrey, mga kulungan. Hindi sila nakakulong, ha? Jeffrey, hindi ka nakakulong, ha? Kaya nakabubuksan yung pinto. Siya lang kasi yung nilipat na, kaya mga kabayan. So, siya lang yung meron sa loob. So, hindi namin yung nilalaksan. Sila yung nakaka-open at close ng kanyang pinto. Kaya labas ko lang sa doon. Ayan.
Yung mga notes.
May mga notes. Yung mga notes. Bakit tayo mga notes na yun, mga kabayan? So, dito, may kulay sila dito. Kulay ko yung mga notes. Kaya sabi ko pagkakot ko yung mga notes. Sira dito. Ha?
Doon.
Tapos, yan yung kamote, may papaya, diba? May malunggay, may basi. Tapos dito,
Amo ano bramo to balay mo to lab? Amo man dya?
Eh.
To ya is balay niya no bramo to.
Wala na. Pangalat.
ayan.
Basta kapag sa kuha. Tiwa mag-close dyan. Kay Ulysses.
Ah,
Pakakapakal.
kabakal kanimo ang no ito igma ano ran hapon.
Sarang ng pagkalisod din yung magruwa. Kaya naman nagbuhay 3 kilo.
Makasubra ka man isa ka libos sa kadlaw.
Sa soda, kung nalisa hangga kaligod na simana, wala pa sarado gate eh.
Ah,
Ruwasan na.
unsa ginasiradaan gate nga?
Sa mga dahil ito yung tabok-tabok ko sa dito eh. Tapos yung reklamo ko kantin ko.
Hindi ka pwede makabaligya sa kantin nga.
Kaya na ko na side ko.
Oh. Di ah. Ito ano eh?
Mag-deliver ko apples pa tuwa.
Ah. Tagpira mo wapo sa raging na deliver man. Tepulo. Lagi na baligya gali rananda.
Sa high school, sa
Tagpira gilabol na kanimo hay.
30 ka nilda, 20 kay 50 sa high school, 50 sa nakadun. Inday, 20 sa ito.
Tapos tagpira baligya da karan.
15 bligay sa mikro na mo kanilda pulo na bligay na. Wala nang papatong mo. Kaya nang gigay nga shiki taok ka na. Inday pulo.
Maka sobra ka man gali isa ka libos isa ka adlaw eh.
so ayan mga kababayan, mga kabarangay, so mapagpalang araw po sa ating mga ito. Dito tayo ngayon sa labangan ng tatay ni Muslim. Yun, ang tatay natin na unang natagwalo dati pa ang pinanagpupot ng pais. Hanggang sa makita natin na umaakutuloy ng palo. Para may maibenta at ang kanyang pagkain. No? Ang araw-araw. So ngayon mga kababayan, dito po ang report dito sa TV at gusto po, kasama po natin si Kuya Kap. Ang gusto sila. At lahat po tayo ay tatapos dito sa mundo.
lugar ng Sampalo. Sampalo, Kanikarista. Okay, sige, ganito na tayo. O, siyempre. Ay, ako pa lang mga kababayan, ulitin lang po natin. Sabi ko ang nagawa ng Team Lali Francis, si Lali Franco, yung tulong po ng papamili ngayon sa bagong padamutan. So, kami po muna ang host ng samantala. Kaya, punta tayo. Ayo! Ay! Ay, dito sa tayo. Ay, kamusta? Ayan, sa tayo. Mabuti. Ha? Hindi ka ba namin makausap? Dito naman tayo sa labas. Ay, good morning na tayo. Damo na tayo. Ay, ano oras ba? Alas 11 lang. Halika tayo. Kamusta pakiramdam mo tayo? Ano nakasakit ko rin ng konti? Ano na? Pero yung bata ko marami. Bakit ko? Kala ko masama pakiramdam mo kasi kontak ko naman ito. Hindi kasi ano eh. Masakit yung likod ko. Kaya ano ito, ay iniinagaw ko. Ako minsan baka ano ako. Basta ako yan sa labas. Kung magkakain na ng pag nakakamunan, babalik ako dito. Kaya, sige tayo, dito tayo. Ay, kaya tayo, pakisuyo na po muna ito. Dito na po tayo, kuya. Ay, ito ka dito. Okay, ay, kamusta na rin? Ito mabuti. Nagalit tayo ng isip. Kasakit kayo sa alam ko. Isang araw pa. Hindi naman. Dito lang, meron mo lang ng malakas pagabi. Ay, ayun, hanggang din ang pwede sa aking ibaan. Pero, umakot doon. Dito, hindi na ako, nililas ko. Nilabas ko rito. Kasi nilabas ko meron. Bumalik ako sa higaan. Tumutulong pa rin ako. Kasama ng inyo. Natutulungan pala ako ngayon. Baka, kaya yun, namin ito makikanta ko. Kung binabala kong sandalin yun, basura rin sa taas. Kasi wala akong magdano na magamit. Delikado, talaga kaswap na yan. Arungkot na kasi. Ilang taon na ba si tatay? 77. Ito mag-20 ito pagkatapos yung sabi nito, 78 na. Pero sanay sa bukit si tatay yun. Sanay talaga sa hirap. Kaya ako, nagtatrabaho ako. Maaari niya eh. Pagkagyan lang ako eh. Kasi papakupang ko yan. Hindi parang ang ugat ng kamay ko. Mabubuhay. Gumagawa. Kapag ganito maitak at hindi na katanda ka, mas lalo nangihina ka. Oo naman. Magpapaupa ako yan. Mayroon kalungin, mayroon ko sa buyo. Ang gusto ko parang pinapalitan ako. Mayroon ko lang nagawin sa inyo. Nagaalat, kalinis naman. Bukid. May nag-aalok, pero yung kanilang harapan, hindi na kanilang lilinisan ko na. O pagi na ko. Uwi na ako, pagkatulad ako, uwi na ako na pambili. Uwi na ako sa kailangan. Hindi na ako na hindi na ako makakot. Siyempre, pilat din sa araw niya. Okay naman. Alas lahat ng hindi kasi pag pinapawisan ka lang, ako tuloy yung tawag sa likod. Yun. Saka lahat ng tatay, kung nanay na nakapatayan na, lahat ng sinasabi nila, pag tumigil sila sa trabaho, nakakasakit sila. Kasi, pagsanay ko sa trabaho, lalo na, pag pinapawisan eh. Ang totoo yung pinapawisan ako. Kaya katulad na, o yun, focus yan. Mula nung malakas, tingnan mo yung pinapatungkol yan. Ayun pa, hindi ko pa nakita.
Nakakata ko yun.
Ha?
Nakakata ko yun.
Linis lang lang doon. Okay, wala yun. Wala. Hanggang doon, hanggang may palibot. Kaya sa kung hindi mo lang nilinisan, yung basura mo,
Wire na. Hindi sa ay ginasugat ko. Hindi sa wire man na.
Pag nakatamakan yung basura at yung buwan ng malakas, ahon dito. O, ahon lang mga basura, pupunta doon, pupunta dito. O, dito. Anong ginagawa nila sa akin nila? Hindi, sinasako ko kung kaya ko ng sako, ang ginagamit ko kung yung ginagamit ko. Dapat ako na ako. Kung nakakalaman ko, dadaganan ko ang mga matimawala ko kaya ng ginagamit. Ganda po ba kayo ng... Oo, hindi ko ako ng tindo. Kaya, makakakuha kung sabi mo, tatlong buwan bago ka makakuha. Hindi ka makakuha, di kung tayo. Hindi ka kuya. Mayroon ka man kayo sa sabi ko, wag kayo kayo dito. Kung hindi na kayo, yan hindi kakalitin kayo. Bakit kayo hindi ka kakalitin? Ano hindi ka kakalitin? Pag umawag ka. Business. Di ba? Oh, every 3 months and night. Every 3 months. Oh, every 4 months. Ang mga buwan ko minsan eh. Minsan. So kung anin na ba? Anin na buwan? 6,000. 6,000. Kasi yung pag... Pag tatlong buwan na, kasi hindi namin naalat yung nakatanon. Kung ka nakatambay, hindi namin naalat yun. Eh, dagdag, wala naman dagdag. Hindi yung kikot ako. Ano nangyari kung dapat ako man? Pinapalitaan na dapat ako. Hindi yung 5 piece. Ha? 5 piece. Ako yung bad point. Ang pinakakalimutan nila sa atin, pag tumagawin ako, lalo na kung pag-simple, pamimili ako. Pupunta ko ng palengke, bibili ng bigas, bibili ng
Ay.
ulam. Pagkatapos yung mga puto, aabot ako ng minabit pinapay. Dito na tayo kumain. Ano ito? Pag wala na akong pera, wala na, iwanan akong kasi nawawala na rin pera. Wala na ako. Ano yun? Wala na. Ano ba yan? Nag-iisip ako. Ano ito? Iniiwanan niya pinag-isa. Mabuti, mabuti. Ako iniiwanan sa iba. baon na. Kuminsan nagpapawag ka ng mga mag-aakyat ng sampalo. Ayun eh, kuminsan, mangga. Aakyat siya, tatawagin siya, ang tawa, yung tao. Siya lang ang tatawagin. Kasi may pamilya naman yun. Hindi ako natutulog. Ayun, kinikita ko, sumulibot ko sa pamilya. Kaya bang kaya ko sa kuminsan, parang ito eh, may tulog. Hindi mo rin ako wag nagpagbasak. Hindi na ako nagbilang. May sabi lang, ang ating nakamit ko
Tayo na magkasama kami ng ako nyo. Ano ba pa kayo sa mix up?
ay nakakasama ako sa sabi din ako pinapalitan ako ng nalaman. So, kaya po ang aking pababayaan sa ako, sabi yan, sa mga kwan, ganun ang papayabi ko sa kanya. Minsan, sige ko, dito na lang ako sa mga ang darating na medicine, mabuti ka ako.
Why? Nano ko lang yan sa mga comment.
Sa,
Kaya naka-live ko sa YouTube mo.
sa YouTube ka.
Ay, mga comment. Yeah. Duro naglantaw pa. 200 plus.
Comment ko.
Maala. English ko dyan. Kaya tagalain nga. Ibang bansa naglantaw.
Ito yan. Kung natitira, mamamahal ka lalaki na. Kasi yung kulang yan, malutod ka yun. Pagkatapos kumisan ng kasakit. Yung kulang yan, tingurahin ka ako ng pangkong. Yung kulang yan. Kaya pinatilang nga lang dalawa. Sikabi lang ang mga dito. Ngayon na pitipila.
Nakausap nila sila kahit sa telepono. Nasa Manila.
Ay, hindi ko makapunta. Oh, kasi hindi ko naman alam
Oh, hala. Naguli na sa.
Hi.
Very good. Ito naguli ka.
Why mo uniform mo?
O ay.
Parang pas ka sa phone? Ha? Magpas ka sa phone? Oh, hindi ko bukay mo. Ito ang bukay mo. Koto? Bukay?
Sa duro robo kay mo nga.
Anong puti? Rose. Ha? Lanlog? Puti ko puta lang. Labog lang ang puti.
Sige pa internet mo dyan, lab. Oh. Pwede ka to si mem kanimo dyan. Te? Kasi way puro kwarta mo nang nanuhog. Why?
Kita ko si Lure.
Di na.
Basketball na.
Sige, ano na?
Mama, kita ko si Lure.
Ah. Inadumdum na tanap pero may nasakit na. Okay.
Naalala ko ng kuko na, diyog-diyog ko no, mawamansan na ko, stress na rin.
Ay! God.
Magala 120 over 80 bigay kung taas. Ang Korea, mamara pinaka-normal na bibig. Kaya isa na nag-bibig.
Ano rin sa baba mo?
Minsan na
Ako,
nag-bibig. Matdag kumain na hawa-hawa. Matdag na.
Te.
Mama, bakit ka pala? Ako mayo,
Baka na tumaylo to, ito dapli. May isda to, hindi ka katupay may sikagon to. Baka tumaylo.
Hindi ka makal?
Dala kay Kuan. Kay Tawin.
Hindi, paklito ka. Darling. Ang tagpulo.
Oh my God. Ay.
So, siyempre, isip namin sa tatay, hindi makalabas, makapili kasi nga nung paggabi, maulan. So, isip ng cake na bili ng konting grocery sa tatay, doon sa pera, hindi na lang natin hindi natin na lahat yung pagpili. Hindi maabot pa rin tayo ng cash para biscuit, Lucky League, mga noodles, saka meron delata. Yun, okay.
Yung pamahaw ka pa kung agala.
Wala ko dumdum ako.
Ay, toon.
Two 695. Gawin na natin 27 yan. Sige, sabi ko na ito. 27, so minus 15. 15. Diba? Hindi, ako rin naging career ko. Kasi kung ano po yung pinadagalan nyo sa
Mama, wala man yung gato.
Awa ay, ako lang karon eh. Ako lang karon eh. Gatas, ano baklon, Milo pa eh.
Milo, wala Milo. Yan, gato paano mo?
Gatas lang ikaw ay Milo eh.
Okay. Gato paano gatas?
Ha? Pero gatas nanda ka rin laban. 13, 13. Ha? Pero to. Ah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
daw 13 wala mo. Words 3 lang.
Birds, 3.
Oo.
Birds, 3, 3, 3.
Oo. Pandiran.
Birds, birds, birds.
So, pansay na parang bilang 40 pesos dyan.
Sino?
Pa, umuwi pa.
Ay, maan. Ay.
Ang plato sa kamay niya.
Ah, tagpiraran?
Pulo.
Pirala ka bilog sulod na.
Umuwi pa.
And by the end of today, there'll be nothing left of this entire lake but some sand and my phone.
And maybe some dead fish.
Your sacrifice will be remembered, Zoe. I gotta get my phone back.
But is there a way to speed it up, Tyler? Maybe going with buckets is gonna take forever.
Yeah, Zoe, come on, check it out. We can dump all the water that we scoop out here and make money off of the rare items that we collect. I got some cool looking rocks, and it just gave me money for that. Then we can go to the computer over here and buy upgrades that'll make this go faster. It says I can afford something in the bucket upgrade, and I can upgrade for a bigger bucket. Now our bucket's gonna hold even more water when we scoop it out. It's got to be more help to get my phone back today, so hit the like button right now if you haven't already.
Yeah, guys, hit the like button right now. We need all the help we can get.
Check this out. I'm gonna get paid for the rocks I found. Let's go! I want the machine to work a little faster, so I'm gonna upgrade its speed. And let's see, can I afford anything else? Oh yeah, I can make myself a strong swimmer and upgrade my swimming speed. Maybe I can find some rarer objects if I swim all the way out to the middle of the lake. Zoe, I'm out here! Come on! Help me scoop up the water! Oh no, oh no. It looks like I'm starting to drown. I need to go back. I'm not strong enough as a swimmer yet. Oh my gosh, my oxygen.
Sino nagbantay to sa imo nga tiyanggi to eh?
The lake is already going a lot lower than when we started.
I mean, you can keep on upgrades to
Kabalay?
Mm-mm.
that's a lot longer.
Yeah, good idea, Zoe.
Sino rin bayi dyan lab? Ano mo? Alalay mo ran? Daw may bata ra dyan nga ala. Daw dala.
Hilin?
Ah, ang dalagitan ran.
Wala akong duke na galibay.
Mm.
Upgrades, Tyler.
Yeah, good idea, Smelly. Let's get the biggest buckets that we can possibly have today, so we can drain this lake in no time. Hey, I see something sparkling under the water. Oh, what could that be? Smelly, I think we're getting close to finding something super special under the water. Hurry, keep draining.
Gabantay ka nimo dyan gali.
Buckets will help we go faster.
Ha?
Gabantay ka nimo dyan.
A Smelly bucket.
Maybe even a mirror bucket.
Dalaga halin sa kamay.
Bucket. Hey, look, Smelly. Here's what was sparkling under the water. It's a treasure chest. Oh my god.
Ano yung text mo karaman?
More cash.
Pan.
Paano ka na? Jala. Bid siya, hindi ka? Hindi, bid talaga.
Luputi ka?
Ha?
Luputi?
Hindi ah. Daw, ano man eh, daw tan man eh. Tsura.
Crazy secrets. Have you ever swam in a lake and wondered what's at the very bottom? Well, this lake's the entire world. We're finding all kinds of crazy secrets. Let's see, did I find anything of that time? Oh man, not really. Let's collect this cash though, and then let's keep upgrading.
Yeah, Tyler, I'm gonna upgrade to Deep Plus 4, which is plus 5% swim stamina. Ooh, eventually we can get gills and never run out of air.
That's gonna be so awesome, and I just upgraded my bucket 3 times, Snowy. Let's see how much faster it is at draining the lake now. It's getting so low. Let's see here. Whoa, check it out, guys. It drains so much with every scoop. Snowy, my bucket is massive. Let's see how much water I put in there. Oh my gosh, I got so
Ano
much
po nang
stuff.
bakal?
It goes gold that time.
Look, Tyler, the lake is already
Ano ito kasi?
lower.
Yeah, Snowy, maybe I can swim out on the
Wait.
Ito kasi kaso pang balay? Kasi kasuan? Right?
Somewhere. Wait, where's that? Where's that in the water? Oh my gosh, Snowy, there's a shark! Run!
It died.
Oh no, Zoe, I think the shark is super mad that we're draining his entire house. Every time we lower the lake, his house gets a little bit smaller.
Don't worry, Sharky. We're gonna put all the water back in the lake just after we find Tyler's phone.
Yeah, Snowy, and after we find all the secret treasure in this lake, wait, I see something else down there.
Ooh, what is it, Tyler?
I don't know, Silly, but I see a flag, and it looks like there might be some more of the machines.
Ooh, let's uncover it. See what it is.
We just gotta keep scooping the water, Silly, and cover it. Oh my gosh, I think it's another station where we can exchange stuff for money.
Ooh, so we can over checkpoint. Let's see if we uncover this.
Yeah, totally, Snowy. And look, there's a shipwreck here. Oh, and some more treasure. Let's open open that up and see what we get. More cash. Let's go. Hey, look, Zoe, there's even a computer down here. I wonder if it still works. Hey, it does. I'm gonna use it to make these machines work faster by upgrading them as much as I can.
Wait, can we actually use these even though they're underwater? No, still use them. We don't need to go all the way back up there.
That's awesome, Zoe. Yeah, it would take too long to go all the way back up there. We're gonna be digging so deep today, and oh my gosh, Zoe, look at that! I think there's more ships under here.
Ooh, I can't wait to see what it all looks like when it's all uncovered.
The lake is draining so much, but where did that shark go? Oh no, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there! Ow! He bit me! That looked at an oof though, Zoe.
Hey, Tyler, it looks like we can upgrade our gems to be more valuable too.
Yeah, good idea! Let's upgrade those! We're gonna max out our buckets in no time.
Plus, it's gonna work on being able to run faster too.
Zoe, look how low the water's getting. You can see that whole ship down there.
Let's go check it out, Tyler.
Ah, parang
It's
sabi.
super quiet. Whoa, there's a
Yan
treasure
ah.
chest. It was a pirate's treasure, and now we have it, Tyler. We found a sunken pirate treasure. We still haven't found your phone.
It looks like we almost
Ha?
made it to the next checkpoint. Check this out.
Pagsukadra dyan.
And it's
Sukadra.
Ang kamata ko sukat pa lang sa...
Pwede. Ang amaran.
and it looks like I can get instant
Nakinig ang ramang ko
So I
dyan.
don't have to collect the money anymore. This is gonna go so much faster now.
I'm gonna try to get the gills, Tyler.
Yeah, so if you get gills, then you can swim like the shark, and you don't even have to come up for air anymore. You gotta get closer to finding my phone, right? We are so far down right now.
Nakalang na.
You see all the way to the bottom of the lake, Tyler. I have $120.
Naya lang.
I'm gonna upgrade my buggy as much as possible.
Hey, I see something else down here. Whoa, it's an ancient
Pabuka ka nila karon dyan ah.
Let's open this one up and see what we find. Note inside this one. Stilly, I think it's from the pirates that sailed here long ago.
Oo. Bidan agi.
It's an ancient
Dan agi.
Ye shall not venture forward unless you're subscribed to Tyler and Stilly.
Bidan agi.
Guys, make sure to subscribe right now if you haven't already, so we can keep going deeper and deeper
Ayaw.
into this lake.
Yeah, guys, the pirates from the 100 years ago said you should subscribe. I was listening to them.
Pirates by a bunch of
Eh, butang ko sa bag ko. Hindi ako lang.
Like, guys, if you've already subscribed, make sure to comment, "I subscribe!" Is this so satisfying draining this lake? Oh my gosh, I think there's another sunken ship down here too. Oh!
You must have been a pirate battle, Tyler.
Definitely silly. Maybe this entire lake used to be way bigger and someone dropped their phone in there before I did. The way the lake looked earlier when I was sitting at it is just how it ended up after they drained most of it.
Yeah, Tyler, maybe this is a curse. Like, people are cursed to drop the most valuable possessions in there. And that's why there's a ton of pirate treasure in here.
Looks like I can upgrade my bucket some more. Oh, that's great! Whoa, I can upgrade my scooping too, so I can scoop out water even faster.
Tyler, I think a
Tampa, takakaroon by eta na kalang.
infinite gray.
Nice, Snowy!
That's gonna work on getting a lot faster.
Hey, Snowy, look behind you and look up. Do you see me?
I don't see you, Tyler. Oh yeah, I see you.
Huh?
Amo malaragi reklamo ni M kanimo kasakit ana mga ano.
Sobrang natakot kami ng husband ko kasi hindi siya pala. And then, may napagsabi sa amin, hindi naman bibigay sa inyo kung hindi. I think mga vitamins and supplements. Then,
Miga galera ni ko ani bata ni may floor si ele.
Kailangan buwan.
just everything that I needed.
Jadi kita pugtan maranim M no.
Kaya nung natin ba, alam ko na yung gagawin and meet ako, diapers, toilet needs, going home out with me and my husband. You. That's the journey that is every discomfort, all this sleepless night, will all be worth it once you get there. So good luck and know that everything will turn out more than you think.
Lampusan ko ra karong kote mo to mo.
Drain this
click like crazy. This could be the most epic cliff jumping spot ever. I'm gonna go in the water. Oh!
Ay!
So I'm gonna be
Naging tawaan na tana.
Nakita mo, kumain mo.
You got it, Snowy!
Alright, here we go. That was awesome.
That looks crazy from here!
Together, I landed right next to the next checkpoint, so let's use our buckets to uncover it.
We've almost got it, we've almost got it! Yes! We unlocked the next checkpoint!
Do you think your phone's gonna work after we find it, Tyler?
I sure hope so, Snowy. I'm pretty sure it said it was water resistant, but not waterproof, so I don't really know what that means.
Maybe you can stick it in a bowl of rice or something. I heard that helps.
Well, Snowy, my mom said that she would ground me if I lost my phone, but she didn't say anything about if I break my phone.
We're getting water in it. Oh my gosh, I'm one away from being able to afford the biggest bucket.
I can't believe how much we drained the lake.
Sobra ra dito kasi malalag, no?
Ha?
Sobra ra dito kasi mana.
I know, right? Right now, I can get my bucket in
Kung ano pa rin man.
It gives me about $14. Now, if I
Nalipat akong sandaan ito.
Japanese bucket. Let's see how much I can get.
Imo ka mo gini si Sai balar mo.
Kumain ko sa purpose.
Snowy, I slept.
Mo ko ang last.
I gotta hurry and scoop the water as fast as I can before I drown. Come on, come on, come on. We are scooping so much water out. But Snowy, have you noticed that this is super satisfying? I love pouring all the water in here and getting tons of cash for it. That'll give me $190.
That's awesome, Tyler. I was at $48 with my last bucket. Now let's see what I get. I get 67 now. That's awesome. I'm thinking I have to max out the rest of my bucket to get as much as you.
Color day, pencil ito.
Today, we're adding our very own anomalies into Roblox Animal Hospital. Each of us are going to be taking turns making our own anomalies.
Ay maana.
And by the end of this video, we'll decide which one of us deserves to become an official anomaly. All right, McGoober, it's time for shift number 1. I think our first patient's coming in.
Oh yeah, who we got here? Sup, I'm Ruby Clouds. Nice to meet you, Ruby. I'm here for my appointment. Okay, let's go ahead and check her in, Goobers. Give her the stamp. Take her photo. Inspect the photo. You want an anomaly?
I'm gonna shoot her with a blicky. I'm gonna shoot her with a blicky. Bro, put the gun down. Why do you have a gun? What is wrong with you, Mango?
I'm gonna shoot her with a blicky. And I'm gonna shoot these too. Guys, listen, we gotta focus and just do our job because once the first anomaly shows up, that's when we can make our first anomaly.
Yeah, guys, remember, if we do our jobs, then we get to have our very own anomalies, okay?
Oh, shut up, you stupid furry demon. Shut up. Dr. Stan, do you want to go take care of the patient while I check them all in?
Yes, Dr. Stone will go take care of them. Mango, get away from my patient, please. You have a gun. Put that away. I said before you're not taking care of the patient. Put the gun away. Put the gun down.
Yeah, my coworkers are idiots, Chad. My coworkers are literally idiots.
Well, what is wrong with you? Okay, seriously? Really? Really?
Yeah, I take care of the patient. Yeah, that's my patient, not yours.
All right, you know what, Mango? Please get out of the way. I'm doing my job.
Okay, you know, the next patient is here. I'm Sophie, blah, 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 blah. I'm here for my appointment. Okay, we go ahead and stamp you. Take a photo, inspect the photo, and you know what? You look normal too, so I'm gonna go ahead and check you in. I don't know why you're a little quality though.
All right, David, I'm back. Mango would not let me take care of that patient, but I'll take care of this one.
Hey, so does this patient look very low quality to you, or is it just me?
Yeah, a little bit. Why doesn't it have a nose?
So let me give him some birds. Hey, look, Brian, you're the patient. I am a better doctor than you.
Oh,
I'm a better
ang
doctor than you. I don't know. Is that an anomaly already, or is that just they just broken?
I think they're just ugly.
Hey, I'm bad, right? There you go. You can head on in. I am so much of a better doctor than should. Look, I just healed the patient and now they're walking out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys, we only have one patient to treat remaining. And once we do that, maybe we'll get the first anomaly.
There are only 3 patients per shift. Ooh, I call getting the first anomaly. I call becoming the first one.
Of course, you want to get the first anomaly, kid. You just want every time.
Of course I do. Let me go ahead and take a DNA sample though and analyze it. I'm gonna be a way better doctor than Dr. Manglepool. Get out of the room.
Wait, whoa. How's my sanity already at 57%? Hold on. Let me just go ahead and drink some coffee real quick.
Guys, I feed the wrong medicine to those patients so it can't give them. Do not give them the wrong medicine or you'll kill them. Please do not.
It's not good the wrong
Okay, what medicine do they need? They need, they've brought out-
Why raman gali si Toto sa purpose man, no?
Why?
I dropped out of the wrong medicine.
No,
Nakabuol ka pa tong March lab, why?
Alrighty, sorry, I already treated that.
Why?
Ulo ni. Awa.
Why no?
Ay, February lang na to.
Heud,
Ang
amo
March
to.
April nga payout wire.
Heud. Mayroon pa ganyan suto nakabuol tong March.
Bani kita kami ma'am.
Te.
Kung wala sa baliti eh, mulan ko ay ma'am kung sa March April lang payout. So may lang dyan nga wire ko sa attendance sa wire.
Te, ano sabat
Ay,
na?
laman ka rin ah.
May bago raman na nagsulod. Daw anom kabilog. Purpose, dili lang si ko ano, si Eunice.
Sige.
Sa gutayan. Nakasulod, dili lang. Huwag ka balita sa ano lab, sa ano tawag karan ah. Ang tag 20 mil balaran sa college meron.
Si ko na makasulod si
Turn it into your very own anomaly. Alright, I think I'm gonna do this one. I think I'm gonna do this.
Pila sanda ka bilog makasulod giya?
sa pirang na sa nakabilog.
5.
Lalasan ba? Bata ng Mercedes.
Sino pagit?
Bata ng Juby. Si
Sa graduating daran nga?
Alright, I'm gonna say turn this
Bayinas. So, guro.
Diba ang ginatawag na karan, ang pigado gid ang tawaan, tapos way pa naka-college nga membro nga pamilya.
Di kay si Juan ko no, si Amagurang ako no, may GT, patala ka na ko no 1 year, tumining, wala pa siya graduate. May 3rd year pa lang tulan.
Tapos di ba pigado daad ang makasulod karan?
Di ang imaw, nagdaran yung tubo-tubo ng da, ang taga-umati, ang umakag, wala mo kinido, so umarang may sarang-sarang man. Tapos,
Sila pagit. Ti ang bata ni Liane na masarang maran, kasulod maran.
ang bata nila yan sino?
Si Oran basta ang
Kasi
bayin.
graduate rin.
Wala kumain.
Graduate rin bayan ng yan eh. Makanta na.
Abi ko gani ang ano ra mo ang abi ko ang 4th year bala nga grade 10 college galera ginapa mo. Nga mo nag-graduate. Isipon mo talara ko pigado giya ka naton mo nga may college ran eh. Ano ran kada bulan ran lab ang 20 mil or amula ran?
Mantra ka, so mura ko ng bagay kaysa.
That's what your anomaly would look like? That's freaking creepy! Yo, I low-key think my anomaly is gonna be the coolest one. There's no way that you guys gonna be feeling. Oh, your anomaly is scary, bro! Okay, but you know what? Let's
Waira mo nag-graduate ka naton giya nga side sa lupa nga. Nga college nga.
Mango, are you gonna take care of the patient and
Maati ka ta barangay, mara na may 20 ran.
Kada barangay gani.
Nakanilo.
Igid namin ko bala wairan mo nag-college dire nga mag-graduate nga 4th year.
Maandun nga. So, kabatsa na.
their name? Their name is Ren Bear. Oh, I actually need to be finalizing this.
Di ba ang tawan karan ng pigado gid nga as in nga pigado. Tapos si JJ na karan di man si Joby nagpa-eskwela karan si ano man si Mami magpa-eskwela karan.
Wala ko tinawara. Ito nga di pa.
Okay lang kay Daisy ti mamanaan mo mga pigado mo sa pasigil parent na mo.
Between our shift, we gotta go over to the supply shop. Ooh, it looks like, oh, I gotta buy a gun. I wanna go buy a gun. Yeah, there's huge bags we can buy real quick. Let's see what my pocket is like. Yaha! Oh, I don't have enough money for it. Oh, wait, we got excellent.
Basta daw 5 kuno ra gyud nakasulod.
How did Mango get the best?
Sino pagi daw? Si daw si Maika mala na sa anuhan ko.
Support na iba na. Wala
You know what,
pa.
Mango? Since you got the best employee last round, I think that you should get an anomaly this time. Oh, okay, damn.
Okay, let's wait for an anomaly. Let me go ahead and check them in. Go and take your picture. Go ahead and check the picture and all that. All right, you are good.
Alright, Mango, since we're gonna make an anomaly, I'm gonna take care of all the patients this time.
All right,
Graduate ra gali ran si Kuan, sino ganirang bata ni Liane nga bayi ah.
Yo, Mango,
Man, kung graduate, ano ba yun nga lang?
Ano ra ginbol nakaraman daw nursing laran.
Mango, you are the security, okay? You make sure there's no funny business, no fishy business.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to see if I can do that right here. Extra scary test.
Next patient, next person wants to check in as a patient. We go ahead and take your photo real quick. Go ahead, print that. All right, boom, you're looking good, and welcome on in.
All right, I'm buying a bunch of upgrades. This I low-key need to recover from man.
Okay, let's go ahead and see what they need. Oh, I need to do this heart exercise.
Wait.
Uh,
Mango, there's an anomaly. What is that in front of me?
Steven, I'm cleaning up the slime and then I'm gonna take a picture with the anomalies.
Oh my gosh! Dude, it's staring into my soul. It's staring into my soul, bro.
kay daw bati ko karang interviewon kakarablan mo kung makasulod kakaran di ba?
It's staring into my soul. It's staring into my soul. I don't like that. Make it go away. Make it go away.
Uyo na karan dapat si Ayon gid balay nang dako pigado o hindi di ba?
I'm gonna make my image real quick. I'll be right back, team. I'll be right back.
Oh, when I took a photo of it, it's glitching out. It's like that. It's radioactive. I'm gonna hide in the corner, bro.
Okay, I got it. Eye drop. Oh wait, ointment. That and then that. Okay, there we go. I treated a patient.
Okay, so I have my screenshot right here. Let's go ahead and edit this image real quick.
Mango, did you find an anomaly yet?
Yes, bro, I found an anomaly. Do you not know how to listen, you dummy? What the freak is that?
Okay, that is disturbing. Woo! What was that? Oh my gosh, okay, no, this is weird. This is weird.
Ano sunsira galaw?
Really weird. Now we're adding
Sino nagul na imong mo naguli day?
this one's so creepy.
Aw, di mayading ka nagagi.
Anomaly ends up being really dumb and brain rot. Mango, are you gonna make your anomaly really dumb and brain rot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course you are.
I'm telling the cover my anomaly in chocolate so it looks like poop.
Bro, wait, are you putting poop on?
Yes, sir, bro. Just like my plushie that you guys can go buy at Cooper's Guys Shop. We got to restock it soon.
And then 3. Alright, there we go. I need a patient. Holy
Merkulis na sa rumaan naman, Webes sa rumaan.
Alright, we better have
Oh,
this soon. We
okay.
better have this soon. Oh, yeah.
Okay, no, we're good. Alright, Mango, make your freaking patient. That thing's just staring at you.
I am, bro. What do you think I'm doing?
Okay, I gotta drink coffee, bro. I think I'm starting to go insane. Oh my gosh.
Okay, well, you know, in the meantime, while Mango makes his anomaly, I'm gonna send this one away. Goodbye. Go away.
Hubert, my anomaly just finished generating. It is covered in poop.
Bro, what?
What?
That is freaking disgusting. Wait.
Oh!
Bro, what is that? Ew!
Hubert, low-key, I think my anomaly might be better than
What
Studs.
is
I think my anomaly might be better than Studs.
Dog! No, that's creepier than Studs. That's actually creepier than Studs.
I really like my anomaly. I think my anomaly is pretty good.
I don't know how, but Mango managed to make an anomaly, both brain rot and creepy, bro. Nah. No, I hope I never see that at this window.
Alright, well, I think our next shift just started, so we need to keep on locking in, guys. We can't let anybody die on us.
Wait. Okay, this is also another anomaly, but it's a normal one. Okay, go away. I took a photo. The photo was all grainy and creepy. Go away.
Oh, I can't wait for demons anomaly. Demons anomaly that was so stupid.
But once we get the next creepy looking anomaly, let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and see.
What if Demon's anomaly is a furry?
What if demons anomaly is a furry, bro?
Bro, there's no way my anomaly's gonna be a furry, bro. That's not happening.
Maybe I think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a furry.
No, it's gonna be a scary demon, because I'm a demon, I'm not a furry. Demons are not furries, okay? Stop calling me ex furry.
Bro, shut up, Tyler. Oh my gosh, I always whining about something. Like, shut up, bro.
Alright,
What is that?
David.
Why does it have my smile? Why does it have my smile? Why does it have my... I don't like that.
David, I think you need to generate an anomaly with that. I think you need to.
Oh my god, okay, alright.
What is that thing? Okay, bro, that anomaly that I saw over there is very creepy. Oh, I just
follows you wherever you walk. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't like this guy anymore. Wait, is it only looking at me or is it looking at YouTube, David?
Staring into my soul.
David,
Staring into my soul.
Okay, you just feel this patient and he's currently recovering. Just keep taking into risk of the patient while Tyler is no.
Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this anomaly is incredibly creepy, which means Hyper and my avatar will be even creepier. Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, since Demon got his screenshot, we need to close the shutter. Get rid of the Yeah, we're getting that anomaly out of here. That's right. Leave. Leave. Wait, he's still looking at me. Oh my gosh, he's still looking at me. No. No. Alright, so we checking these in. You're gonna go ahead and heal all of these patients. Alright, I'm checking this one in right here. This guy is good. Alright, there you go, buddy. You're checked in. Oh no, he fainted. Oh no, he fainted. He's gonna die in 50 seconds if we don't get him to the hospital room. Oh no, he just got fainted. Oh no. Alright, I'm in. David, get freaking anomaly done already. We've got to figure out which one we're gonna become.
Oh my gosh, he almost died. He almost lost it. Alright guys, I put in a picture of the anomaly with a picture of my avatar, and I'm telling it to turn the animal/monster anomaly from the first image into a demon-lit version of the second image provided, to make it 10 times scarier, but it still keeps the same game model and design. Alright, go ahead and send it in. There's no way this turns out as a furry, bro. Alright, bro, I already know my anomaly is about to be the scariest. Not even the scariest.
Right, so I just want to leave. No, you said he's fine with purposes. Shut up! Alright, let's see if this patient is really the real guy.
Getting the phone is advantage. He's recovering now.
And then go ahead and I think we're good. Badge. How do I give him that? There we go! I think that might have been an anomaly. I think it might have been an anomaly. David?
No, I was just rapping. You chill, guy.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, rapping's pretty chill.
Oh, he kind of looks like me. He kind of looks like me. Alright, maybe you take care of him. I'll take care of the front.
Yes, sir, bro. I'm going ahead and I'm going ahead and extracting all his blood and analyzing it and stuff real quick. This process the results, and he has a headache.
Bro, you couldn't do the emergency room for a headache, bro. Are you serious? Alright, Goobers, the doctor is arriving. Do you have your anomaly yet?
Bro, I don't know. I'm kind of scared, but I'm trying to be a furry. I don't want to look. I don't want to check, bro.
Totally not gonna be a furry, right?
Dude, every time we do this video, it gets turned into a furry.
Nah, I think you're good. I think you're good. Bingo, where are you? I need to tell you something. Bro, Bingo, it's definitely gonna be a furry. I think it's gonna be a furry. Alright, Goobers, time for Ship Build Our Farm. Are you guys excited? We're gonna do
Naubos mo ra ang kanon mo, Doy.
That's right. We're gonna figure out which one is gonna be added to the game. Wait, oh, I'm excited to see who's still getting his anomaly. So, let's take a picture. Let's go ahead and look at the picture. Is this the right person? It is. Okay, you are officially checked in.
It's going to be very, very difficult. You know what? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to buy. So, police officers pass the computer. Very helpful. Okay, bro, wait, what the heck is my freaking anomaly?
Hey, wait, hold on, wait. Steven, did you get your anomaly?
Demon, what does your anomaly look like? Why is it a red furry dog? Why does it say good boy on the tag? Why does it say good boy on the tag? But why? Why is it always nah, bro. Nah, bro, this ain't stupid. No, I'm leaving.
Ano ka lahat na sipon?
No.
Ano ka na sipon ka?
Game, bro. So we actually just left the game.
Ah, napunta niya, lutikpan ka pagid.
But Goobers, I think we're about to find out which one of us gets our own anomaly. I think the owner's gonna join. He's gonna come to the
It's
door in like a few seconds.
What happening?
Wait, why did our screens go completely black? No!
Today, the Goobers are surviving the night shift in Roblox.
We're gonna be working in a grocery store overnight, and we're gonna have to serve regular customers, but also not so regular customers. And you might think this job seems simple. All you'll have to do is scan customers at the register, check their information verify that they're real. But some of these customers are not who you think they are. Alright, good, we're ready for the first day of my new job. Wait, what is this over here? Classes? Yeah, there's different classes we can get. So we can be like a cashier, janitor, a medic.
Yo, there's an incinerator. I'm gonna burn down the grocery store.
Ooh, and there's a class that has a freaking machine gun? Look at this. Ooh, I'm gonna be the butcher because I love meat. Alright, goobers, let's start our first day at work. Good job. Yes, sir. Alright, here we go. Carry groceries in night shift. Survive 20 nights and defeat the entity. The entity? What? Alright, it looks like our job just started. Ooh, it looks like we got a preview.
So why does it sound like the finance at Freddy's phone guy? What the heck?
Disappear to what? Oh wait, it looks like our first customer's name is Thornton.
Hey, wait, hold on. Why does his name say Thornton? Okay, hold on. It does say John Doe.
Wait, never mind, hold on. No. It reloaded, okay? It reloaded. This guy is John Doe. John Doe, he was born December 27th, 2004. He's from Los Angeles. Electrician. Okay, verify name. Alright, he has the name John Doe. That looks good to me.
Alright, boom, backed up his items. Let me go ahead and we'll do some verifications real quick.
Okay, so we can ask him his job. Let's ask his job. And he makes sure the lights stay on. Okay, I guess that's what an electrician does.
Alright, electrician, yeah, that's pretty accurate, yeah.
He said he's been heading out of Los Angeles all the time. That's where he's from.
Yeah, that's pretty accurate. What about his age?
Okay, he says December 26th, 2004. That's his age. Alright. He looks like a normal person. So you think he's good? Yeah, he looks good to me.
Alright, complete the transaction, Mango.
Alright, complete the transaction. We made $33. We rich. Okay, why did it say that?
Alright, here comes another customer. Goobers.
Goobers, look at this right here. We keep this store.
Alright, Goobers, I say we designate some different areas. One of you should keep an eye on.
Isa lab.
One of you should talk to the customer. I don't trust Negative is smart enough for that, so I'm gonna do that.
Bro, I'm a cashier. Alright, let's go to the stock room. Alright, so do you know this verifier name? Her name's Jane Doe. Alright. And then this is just outside. Okay.
Where's your job? Take care of patients.
Basi ito yung paghahalin mo to, ay pas jipoy nga.
February 27th, 2004, that's when it all started. We need it all started. And also, why did you say you're from Seattle? You live in New York, huh?
Wait lang daw. Wait lang.
It's a doppelganger.
It's a doppelganger. How do we get rid of
Tapos mo kaya mo.
Wait, let's pick up the pistol stud.
Ano mo lang tulon mo lang matulon mo lang ng
Matulon mo ganira to.
Oh my god, bro, that's that green slime.
Hey, more a doppelganger. You guys are right. They got green goo on the floor. Okay, and we need to use the mop to clean up.
Clean up the green goo.
Yeah, I don't think I want to pick that up. That's disgusting. Okay, and then we need to throw the body out in the dumpster outside? Wait, bro. Okay, this is weird. I hope that car driving by did not see us carrying a body outside right now. That would be bad.
Yo, guys, don't worry. I thought it was Ford, Michigan. Easy peasy. Yeah, it ain't my first rodeo. Alright, this ain't too bad. This is easy.
Alright, but goobers, that was our first night. We did a pretty good job. It's time to go home for the night, though. We survived. I'm sleepy.
Yeah, I can think that's good. I'm gonna kiss you back tonight.
What the heck, dude? The goobers, inside to it, it looks like we have a quota of $50. Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. Let's get back behind the counter and get back to work. Alright, goobers, should we have designated jobs? Yeah, you know what? I'll be the cleanup guy. I'll clean up all the dead bodies. Alright, let's see. I'll be the lookout over here.
Alright, I'll be the cashier because maybe we're not smart enough to ask questions to get the answers.
What? That's what I just said. I'm the lookout guy. You're not listening to the man on the radio. He just said that somebody needs to go to the supply room. Alright, get an item box. Okay. So we need to order the starter items to restock the shelves. Alright, the truck's here. Okay.
Ay, thank you.
I got the item box and restock the shelf. Okay, okay, we're restocking the shelves. Let's go. Come on, restock. Restock faster.
magsulot ka kasi ro mukha ni karo.
Bronze!